My girlfriend, who is Turkish, I decided that I was going to build a website, right? So, and I've done that. And I just want to say it has been a huge honor doing it for her. And I've given it to her. She loved it. She almost made me cry. But in this video, I'm going to show you like the process of me, how I went from, you know, what the idea in my head to actually, giving it to her, everything I went through. So, what my tech stack looks like is I'm using Django. I really did not complicate things. The reason why I'm using Django and not, it's just because I'm familiar with it, right? I am familiar. That's what I grew up using. You know, I could have done this in like 2 days if I, didn't sleep at all. But it took me longer. It took me like 2, 3 weeks. No, actually, 2 weeks probably. 2 weeks likely. Yeah. So it's just like any other framework for building apps. It has its own. I'm using only HTML, no CSS. Maybe a little bit of CSS, just a little bit, but it's really not that much, honestly. Just HTML files, and obviously Python, which is in Django. Yeah, so in the Django app, there are three apps. So there's account, app the account. This is for logging in. I made a login so that she can, add entries into our writings, which is also another app in the Django application. And quotes also, I think she likes quotes, but I'm not sure. But I can just change it if she doesn't, find it appealing or whatever. So if I go to my so in the apps here, there's core, as you can see, quotes and writings. And yeah, so the writings are maybe things that she finds interesting and she wants to write out. And yeah, there's a login page, there's everything, there's all of this. And I'm going to show you guys that right now. But I just want to show you the architecture behind the old website. So, it's in Django and I am serving it to GitHub. So it's on GitHub. You can look at it's not public, it's not a public, repository, but it's a private one. So yeah, GitHub. And from GitHub, this is where I'm serving my project in Railway. So you guys can see like there are two instances in this project. There is the website, which is the website itself, and there is the Postgres, which is the database. The database is just for our storing, like I said, there are apps in there, the writings and the quote or whatever. It's not really, and it's Postgres, so it didn't really take that much. So I could have created a Postgres in my in a different account, you know, in Hostinger, Etzna, wherever, there are all of these places. But I just decided to host it because it felt much simpler because it was a simple project. Having everything in one place just makes sense. And I didn't have to actually do much to get this up and running. So, I'm like, yay me. Right. So also she has like a what do you call it? A domain name also. I bought her a domain. This is a domain, psksumaya.com. I think I bought it for 3 years. Obviously, it renews. I wanted to do 10 years or whatever, but 3 years is fine. And let's see if she already told me she loves it. She was so excited. But and the domain name is for 3 years, and after 3 years, I'm gonna renew it. Or maybe I decide to change or she decides like she wants to change the domain name. So that's fine. Also, I could have done 2 years, which is I don't know anyways. But I just did 3 years anyways. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to the website now and show you guys what it looks like. This is it. I follow the same design that um I was following earlier. She said she loved you know, the initial design or whatever. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna keep it. So yeah, again, so very simple. I don't know. I feel like it's too bright. I don't know. I've not asked her yet. She has not. She said she loves it. So I'm like, all right, this is our initials. It's just there. Just right there. And obviously, writings, quotes, what I read, and dreams. So this is just the home page. Sumaya K. and SK for her initials, right? So writing is just a place where she can, yeah, nothing yet soon. The writing room slowly been filled. Really, really very simple. I like the lines. I like, I'm actually happy the way I did this, but the reason why I'm happy is because she actually liked it. She actually likes it. So dreams, obviously, no registration yet. This SS stands for, yeah, Sheriff and Sumaya. My name and hers, and what I've read. So she can actually add, quotes that she finds interesting. So if I go to panel, right now I'm logged in. Right now I am logged in, so that's okay. So Maraba is LOI, and she can add entries into, so Yazila is writings and Altinla is quotes. So um yeah, if she wants to add a new um entry, she just clicks this, and if she wants to see all the other entries, so if I click on this, you just see writings and you see that there's no new article yet, so I can add new, and it's just really, really, very simple, really. Draft on here, give up. Give up is just like, well, I don't want to write anyone yet. So, it's just very simple. I It's a simple idea I just made for her. And yeah. So if I go to panel again, and exit is just log out, same old, whatever. Quotes, yeah. Zero post, zero published, draft, add new CL. Quotes again. There's nothing here. She has not written anything, but I think she will write. No, I'm not sure. So, but again, I'm just proud of, having done this for her. And obviously, this is her Instagram page, psk.me. I was thinking of using her full name, but her name is so long. I'm like, hell no. Okay. I was just like, it was gonna be it's just so long. So I don't know. If she wants to use her full name, like it is honestly fine. There's really no issue with it. I just thought it was long, so I just used something that I don't know, felt I just felt it was, the right balance of length and everything. So yeah, that's why I thought anyways. And it's not that the problem of it is it's long. It's just like how are you going to spell it to someone? That's what I'm just, that's what I thought about anyways. Because my own website is also long, and so you know yeah, so exit is logging out. There's really, because I was logged in before and now I'm no longer logged in. So yeah, all of these things, it's in the Django. I don't know if you guys want to see me actually build this thing and show you how, because I didn't use the Django admin that came with Django. So if I go to my um, so these are all the URLs for the page. So all the URLs come from apps.account. So account is where the exit login, whoever is, and there's writings, there's quotes, obviously there's the core. The core is like, the home page base, basically just simple things. And if I go to account, yeah, account, and I go to URLs, yeah. So you see Garis, which is login, entry, Chickis is like exit, just log out. So login, log out, and dashboard basically. So very simple. And yeah, that's it, honestly. That's it. The pride of this was me making something for someone that I love. So that was the pride of it. You know, it really wasn't difficult, honestly. It was easier because I've done it so much and I've done it like, and it's so straightforward. So yeah, I am using um I am using Railway to host the website, and I used Cloudflare for all of the, DNS records to buy the domain name and everything. And honestly, that's it. That's it. That's just all I wanted to show in this video. This is just to, I don't know. I just want to talk about someone that I'm proud of, which is my girlfriend. So Sumaya. She might watch this, and I'm not gonna tell her I make this video because just because, yeah. And yeah, because of love or because of, you know, having someone in your life that you care about. So I made this little space for her, and I hope she gets to use it and enjoy it. I can obviously edit everything, make changes, all of these things, but only if she asks for it. And if that day comes, I'm gonna make another video again. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. If you like it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one.